Okay, so we just met some really cool people. Dale, I'm making a video. Okay, so we just met some really cool people. We walked over. Oh, there's our dog. So we walked over to over there, and
they met the whole horsey crap thing. Back
well, they were like, oh, we like horses, and I was like, oh, because there's this really cute little girl. So we talked to her for a minute. It was pretty good.
Yeah, but it was kind
we just had some fun. We just met some really nice people, which is cool. Because I love meeting people. Dale.
I
love meeting people, and you're ruining it. Come on, pup. And we almost lost our dog because he wouldn't follow us. But yeah. Hi. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Just met another person. See? Me.
It is. We're going to go home and run around. I'm going to run now.
Very nice, lady. See, meeting people is good. That's the philosophy of this video.
I'm like my brother. I don't like people.
But anyway, yeah, because Emma doesn't like people, if you didn't know that. Where is our dog?
Oh, I think he stepped up at the skull. Oh, God.
Oh, Pup, don't eat the skull. Pup! Ew, I bet he's eating it.
Oh, I hope he's
Pup! We have to find our dog now. He's not our dog. But we've, like, taken shelter to him. Oh, there he is. Come on, Pup, let's go. Pup!
Good.
We're trying to get our dog back.
Pup, come here.
Pup, let's go.
Come on, Pup.
Don't follow us, Dale. Let's go. He's kind of a following dog.
Yeah, it's not really like...
Because we don't even know if he has a home. But he's really friendly, so he might. He's a little skittish, though. You don't really, like... There he is. But anyway. So... I know you guys are, like, extreme... Oh, see, now they're all watching us. They're all over there watching us. Can you see? They're all looking at us outside their house. It's cute. Should we wave? Dale, wave. Hi. Hi. Oh, that's so cute. They brought their mom, like, to show them. Look, they're riding horses. That's really cute. Oh, that makes me happy. That's cute.
But it's people, Bill.
I love people. People are amazing. I love children.
Cool. I have to say that.
Children are good. Children are innocent. That's cool.
Children are cute.
I like how, like, when babies are born, they're like...
They have that new baby smell. I love that.
I wasn't going to say the new baby smell thing, but, you know. Yes.
Yeah.
Eating all kinds of colors. Cracking up over here. That is the third person we have met on our journey today. And by far the specialist.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
See, meeting people is amazing. That's the philosophy of this video.
People is interesting.
At times. Okay, my arm's getting tired of holding this camera, so I'll talk to you guys